Okay, we're getting the mortar out of the bucket, and we've been putting on this whole side here. Remember, you had the rebar exposed a little bit, so we're trying to get rid of that. But check it out. Once you get that stuff on there, as I fall backwards slightly, but I'm under control. You can trim stuff a little bit, scrape and scratch. You see how it's kind of crumbling off? You put your finger into it, it's sort of dents a little bit. See that? That's the time when you come back and you get water in a bucket, and then you start making little circles. Making little circles. What this does, again, as I've mentioned in other videos, I don't know if I showed you, but this moisture goes into this concrete that's already set through the existing mortar mix. Can smooth out your rough spot. If you want a smoother kind of a look, turn it over, and you'll notice the sponge is darkened up with the cement color that Portland's pulling. It's pulling it out. Check it out. Making circles. This increases your adhesion, your bonding, a bunch. So doing circles, using part of the sponge that hasn't gotten used yet, and then back in. Squeeze it out. Obviously, with no camera, you can do it with two hands and go much faster. There has to be a little bit sort of leather hard is the idea. Once you start getting it where you want it, then you start dabbing it, and you have that cool little sandy texture, which sort of mimics the real deal. So, sponging phase, very helpful. That's a good way to get the bond up, smooth things out, and slow the cure, and really get a nice hook into on your cold joints where you have set concrete and you're adding mortar to it. This could be a shape coat. In this case, for a shape coat, we're putting in a few of the cracks, but we're also including bulking it up around the rebar, which we knew where it was. So you keep track of that, and you try and get at least ½ inch or more above the rebar. Okay, boys and girls, go have fun now.